Hello STC. I'm gonna kind of do the sprint review here, and then hopefully you guys can just email us any feedback. So I'm just gonna go through the Taiga user stories that we've worked on, what we got done, what we didn't get done, what we're gonna work on next time, kind of. So the first one, a user sending data with the incorrect format should not use up the app's resources. This is relating to the API gateway models. So Rohan made these models here, and they're all attached to a endpoint here. So you got the model there, and it validates the body using the model. So that one is all done. The user should be able to reset password. Originally we thought that this would be the same as the force change password flow that happens when you create a user and they have a temporary password. Turns out it's different, and there's a validation code and stuff, so that one's going to take a lot more time. That one will carry over to the next time. So that is not done. The button to reset a password works, but once you hit the reset password button, there's no way to actually continue and reset the password and use that account again. So we got to work on that next time. The user should be able to log in with a valid login. So if we go to the website, this is just the local host of it, and I sign in to a customer admin account. This should give us an ID token, access token, and the name of the group. The name of the group is just to help the front end show stuff differently. So there we go, ID token, access token, and group. And we have the Angular router working. In the future it'll probably go to a home page, but since that's not made yet, it just goes to the list user page. And right now it's just listing all the users in the group because we haven't done authorization with the list users yet. So then if we try with a customer, so this is someone that's not supposed to be allowed into this application. We should be told that we can't log in, we should stay on this page. Yep, you are not permitted to access this application, doesn't navigate anywhere on the, and then if we try to log in with an account that has a temporary password, grab that real quick, then it should route us to the correct page to reset the password, which it does. This will probably also be in the next sprint, getting this to work, because right now this button isn't hooked up to anything. And then another cool thing is that you can sign in with your email instead of the username, and it counts username and email interchangeably, as you can see there. So that's cool. So login successfully is complete. There's a little bit more that we have to do with logging in invalidly, because the front end needs to display like an incorrect username / password, please try again, that sort of thing. A stakeholder should be allowed to go to a URL on a browser and see the current application. So that's just uploading to S3, and we had it uploaded before, and I've just made some minor changes today, so I have to talk to Matthew and get it uploaded again so we can send you guys that link, and hopefully by the time I send you this video we do have that link. But since that's not quite done yet, we have it in the ready for test and not closed. And then there are a bunch of story list tasks too. Scott worked on organizing the user pool into just one user pool with 3 different groups, and then updating that and all the Lambda functions, and then I updated the IAM roles so that it can use that user pool. And we can see that here we have 4 users, 3 groups. Currently known as an STC admin, but we have a customer admin, and we have just a customer to demonstrate that sort of thing. And that is it for this sprint. Please let us know how we did, how we can do better as soon as possible. We didn't actually know that we would need to contact you guys, and our teacher decided the due date instead of like when we're available, so that's kind of a bummer. But yeah, let us know. Thank you.